Tá.
Don't touch me. 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 Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't. Don't.
Morreu, Mica. Meu Deus do céu. Que é isso, espoleta?
Vamos lá.
Hã?
Uau!
That's just my crazy dog. 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 Come here. Hey, come here. You little crazy dog. Come here. Hey, come here. You little crazy dog. Hey, woke up to my dog doing yoga. Looking at me like namaste.
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to give her lots of love. Give her lots of love and a kiss and a hug. I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do. And all I want to do is to feed her lots of treats. Feed her lots of treats and kiss her little feet. No more waiting for a friend. She's my pal till the end.
So let me in, open your house. I'm just a cat, let me concur. No need to fight, just stroke my fur. I'm just a cat, I don't play fetch. I'm not a dog, allow me to stretch. No passport.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Me voy a matar, este es mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.
You gotta put all four on, buddy. Close. Close. You gotta get all four on, bud. Do you need help? Let me help you. Okay, go ahead. This isn't exercising, but that's okay. Yeah, good job. Good job. Woo. I don't think ever in the history of these two being together has Cleo groomed Jack without it turning to violence, I'll add. But this is like, I know that we're pretty new to TikTok, but let me tell you, I should go buy a lottery ticket because this is how freaking rare. Oh my, look at that. I'm gonna buy a lottery ticket because this is so freaking rare, and it's literally a once in a lifetime opportunity. Oh my god, everyone. I like don't want to talk loud because I don't want to like ruin it. I'm so proud.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
You guys are sitting together. That's so nice. That's so nice. You guys are sitting together. I'm so proud. Oh, good boy, Jack. Good boy. Aww. Cleo, you're being such a good girl, letting Jack groom you. I am so proud. If we had a star chart system in this house, you both would be getting gold stars because I am so proud of you. This is so nice. Wow. What a nice treat for Mommy. I'm so proud. Good job, guys. Good job. This is so nice.
領域展開ヘビシャー
領域展開ヘビチャあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃあにゃ
爱的魔力转圈圈，想你想到心花怒放，黑夜白天。可是我害怕，爱情只是一瞬间，转眼会不见。我要慢慢冒险。
兄台